How to assign a template to a page in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. So you have created a template, or you just basically want to use a template for a specific page. I will show you exactly how to do so. So if we just go back to our online store here, and if we just go to our admin and go to pages, we can either do it for an existing page, or we can just go ahead and create a new page and assign a template for it. So how do we actually do that? I'm just going to create a new page. So just click on add a new page. In here you would want to add your title. So I'm just going to do test page. And if you want to add some content, you can also feel free to do so. It's not really necessary for me right now, but here we can see at the bottom right is that we can actually go ahead and select the template that we want. So if we just select the contact template for this test page, is actually now going to be with that template. So if we just go ahead and click on save, and if we just go back to our online store, hopefully you can actually go ahead and find it. I mean, I did not add it to navigation, so how am I supposed to find it? So let's just go to customization instead. And then if we just go ahead and select the page that we actually just created, we can actually see now assigned to two different pages, which are going to be the same thing here. So if you just go to test page now, it's going to be exactly the same with the same template, same everything. It's just going to be with a different header. And if you actually did add content, it's also going to be included, but it's going to add this template to it. So we can just go ahead and create a new template for some. Let's just go to the home page, and let's say we just want to create a template. So we can just go ahead and go to pages, and then create template, and I'm just going to name it random template, which is exactly as the home page, and I'm just going to base it off of the default page and click on create template. And now what we can actually go ahead and do is that we can go to our Shopify admin, and if we just go to pages, and now let's say we want to turn an existing page instead of creating a new one into that template that we have just created. It's going to be almost exactly the same. You just want to open up the page, and then here it's going to be exactly the same. So it's test page, but now instead of it being the contact template, we're actually going to change it to the random template that we have just created. And I'm just going to select that, add some content. So let's just go ahead and add an image just because. So let's just go ahead and add something unique here just so we can actually detect it right away. So I'm just going to add the color red for some reason. Let's just wait for it, and then I'm just going to add this as a content piece here, and then I'm just going to click on save. And now again, if we just go to our online store and click on customize, just so we can actually view the page here, and we just click on home page, we go to pages, and then we go to random template, which is going to be this test page. We can actually see now that it actually does have the template of the default page, which is the home page in this case, but it also includes the content that is included. So yeah, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.